Have you ever spent hours bouncing between flight websites, comparing prices, and wondering if you're about to miss out on the best deal? Maybe you've got 20 browser tabs open, your inbox is overflowing with confirmation emails, and you're still not sure if you've booked the right hotel. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to let technology handle the boring parts, so you can focus on the fun stuff, like planning your next adventure or just daydreaming about that sunset rooftop pool? Welcome to AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. Stick around, because today on AtlasIQ we're diving deep into how you can automate your travel bookings. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a travel system so smart, you'll wonder why you ever did it all manually. And trust me, your future self, the one chilling at the airport lounge while your phone handles all the details, will thank you. Let's start with the basics. Why bother automating your travel bookings in the first place? Well, besides saving yourself from carpal tunnel syndrome and existential dread, automation means you'll catch price drops before they disappear, get personalized recommendations without endless scrolling, and never lose another confirmation email to the depths of your inbox. Imagine having your itinerary, travel alerts, and even your packing list pop up exactly when you need them, all without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? Let's see how it works. The first step to automating your travel bookings is connecting your favorite booking sites to an automation tool. If you've never heard of Zapier, think of it as your digital glue. It connects all your favorite apps like Google Flights, Expedia, Booking.com, and even Airbnb. With Zapier, you can set up what are called zaps, which are basically little robots that do the repetitive stuff for you. Here's how it goes. You set a trigger, like a new flight deal to Tokyo pops up on Google Flights. Zapier then automatically takes action, maybe sending you a text, updating your calendar, or logging the deal in a spreadsheet. For example, if you're dreaming of Paris, you can set up a zap to watch Google Flights for price drops. The moment a deal appears, your phone pings you, and the details are added to your travel planning doc. No more FOMO, no more missed deals, just pure automated bliss. But catching deals is just the beginning. Let's talk about making your travel planning feel less like work and more like magic. Enter ChatGPT, your new AI travel sidekick. Sure, ChatGPT can answer trivia, but it can also monitor flight and hotel prices around the clock, suggest the best times to book based on historical trends, and recommend hotels, restaurants, and activities that match your vibe. Whether you're after a sunset rooftop pool or a hidden ramen bar, ChatGPT's got your back. Here's how it works. You tell ChatGPT what you're looking for. Maybe you want a direct flight, no red eyes, and a hotel with a view. ChatGPT scans the options, filters out the noise, and serves up the best picks. It can even pull together a full itinerary, from flights to hotels to activities, all tailored to your preferences. And if you're using travel apps like Expedia or Kayak, you might already have access to built-in AI chatbots. But if you want more control, you can connect ChatGPT directly to your planning tools for a truly personalized experience. The best part? The more you use AI, the better it gets at understanding your travel style. Over time, it'll learn whether you're a sleep until noon kind of traveler or someone who wants to hit every sunrise hike. No more endless scrolling or decision fatigue, just smart, hyper-personalized recommendations every time. Now, let's get real for a second. Nobody travels for the joy of forwarding confirmation emails or copy-pasting booking codes. That's where automation really shines. Imagine this. Every time you book a flight or hotel, the confirmation details are automatically added to your calendar. Your packing list updates itself based on your destination, the weather, and your planned activities. If your flight gate changes or there's a delay, you get an instant notification on your phone or even your smartwatch if you're feeling fancy. How do you set this up? You can use Zapier or similar tools to connect your booking emails to your calendar and notes apps. Set up ChatGPT to read your itinerary and suggest what to pack, or remind you about travel restrictions and visa requirements. Link your email to automation tools that extract travel details and organize them in one place. Suddenly, you're spending less time on logistics and more time deciding which sunglasses to pack. Let's bring all this together with a real-world example. Say you want to visit Lisbon in September. Here's how your automated system handles it. First, you set up a Zap to monitor Google Flights for deals to Lisbon. When the price drops, you get a text and an email summary. Next, ChatGPT asks about your hotel preferences. Maybe you want to stay in the historic city center, with a rooftop pool and breakfast included. It suggests 3 hotels, summarizing the pros and cons of each. Once you book, your confirmation emails are parsed and automatically added to your calendar. ChatGPT generates a packing list based on Lisbon's September weather and your planned activities. If your flight changes, an AI bot updates your calendar and sends a push notification. You get reminders for check-in and even suggestions for airport lounges. And all your receipts and booking confirmations are logged in a spreadsheet for easy budgeting. Meanwhile, you're relaxing with a coffee, wondering why you ever did this manually. But why stop there? If you want to take things to the next level, AI can now predict travel trends and help you stay ahead of the crowd. With predictive analytics, AI analyzes historical data to spot emerging destinations, price trends, and the best booking windows. Automated systems can track price fluctuations and alert you to book at the optimal time. AI can even spot upcoming festivals or events and recommend trips before prices spike. Being proactive beats being reactive every time. You'll catch the best deals, discover trending spots before they're crowded, and make smarter travel choices. And here's the thing, automation isn't just about efficiency. It's about making every trip uniquely yours. The more you use AI, the better it gets at recommending flights, hotels, and activities you'll love. Automated systems can track your loyalty points, remind you of expiring rewards, and suggest ways to maximize your benefits. Traveling somewhere new, AI can translate languages, offer etiquette tips, and help you navigate like a local. It's like having a travel-savvy friend in your pocket, ready to help at a moment's notice. Now, you might be wondering, is this just for techies? Not at all. Most automation tools are designed to be user-friendly, with simple interfaces and plenty of tutorials. If you can use a smartphone, you can automate your travel. Worried about your data? Reputable tools use strong encryption and privacy controls, but always check privacy policies and use trusted apps. And if something goes wrong, you can always talk to a real person. AI handles the routine stuff, but humans are still there for the tricky parts. So how do you get started? First, pick your favorite travel sites, maybe Expedia, Google Flights, or Booking.com. Sign up for an automation tool like Zapier. Connect your travel accounts and set up basic zaps for things like flight alerts and hotel confirmations. Add ChatGPT or another AI assistant for personalized recommendations. Link your calendar, notes, and expense tracking apps. Then sit back and let the bots do the heavy lifting. Your only job? Enjoy the ride. We're living in a golden age for tech-savvy travelers. With the right tools, you can book smarter, travel smoother, and spend more time enjoying the journey, not wrestling with logistics. So, are you ready to let your next trip book itself? Or at least, let the robots do the boring parts while you plan your Instagram captions? If you learned something new today, or if you have your own travel automation hacks, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories and tips. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a chance to level up your wanderlust with the latest tech tips. AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.